Hello everyone, this is Mac. Welcome to NCR India free video tutorial channel on YouTube. Here in this tutorial I'm gonna continue my previous project, which was the solar system. And the solar system, we have basically made the sun and the rest of the 8 planets here, even the ring of the Saturn. So now I would like to introduce some colors to each of these objects. Now for adding colors, we have to use a shader. So that's all we're gonna learn, that how to apply the shaders in each of these objects. Now first of all, we should know that what are shaders. So shaders are the materials that give an object its particular look, whether it be a color or a tactile texture. Now let's see how to use these shaders. First of all, go to the window, and here you will be seeing the rendering editors. Select it, and in the drop down menu you'll be having hypershade. Select it to open the new hypershade window. Now here you can see that there are already 3 initial shader icons. These are the default shader icons. We are not going to use these shader icons, but we have to create our own shaders for each of these objects, right? So for creating a new Lambert nodes like that, we have to go to the create, go to material, and select the Lambert. It will be creating a new Lambert node here, which could be the Lambert 3 or Lambert 2. It depends if you have used any Lambert before, right? So double click on it. You will be seeing its attributes here on the attribute editor, and here you have to switch to the channel box. Click on the Lambert 3 and name it as the sun. So it means that we're gonna put this shader, or we're gonna apply this shader on the sun. Okay. Now what you really need to do is that go to the attribute editor of this Lambert node, which is sun 1. Now here you can see the gray box after the color. Select it to choose your desired color for the sun. I would like to color sun with yellow. These are called the HSV slider. Yeah, that's okay for the sun. Now after selecting color, what you need to do is that you have to apply this shader on the sun. Now for applying this shader on the sun, what you need to do is that click the middle mouse button on this Lambert node, and now drag your mouse to the object on which you want to put this color. So I want to put this color on the sun. Now here it is. Now leave the middle mouse button. You can see that the color is already dispatched from the node to the sun, right? Now in that way you have to make more Lambert nodes for each of these planets, and even for the ring. So I'm not gonna color all of them, but yeah, I would like to color this Saturn. And now according to me, let's create another Lambert node, color it. I guess Saturn has to be a little white, but something brown. Yeah, that has to be its color. So I'm gonna put this color on Saturn. I have to name it also. So click on it here, name it as Saturn. Okay, and now select it, press the middle mouse button on the Lambert node of which is Saturn, and leave your mouse button on the Saturn planet. Now you can see that it has already been colored with a light brown color, and the same way I'm gonna color its ring as well. Make another Lambert node, name it as a ring. Go to the attribute editor and double click on it. Now in the attribute editor you have to choose the color again. Make it a little more light. Press middle mouse button on the Lambert node and drag it to the ring. like that. Okay, so in that way you can color each of these objects, and in the next tutorial, so that's all about this tutorial, and in the next tutorial I would like to talk about the animations of these objects. So keep watching NCR India, and please don't forget to put your views in the comments after my videos, and that's really necessary for us to know that how is everything going. So bye bye, take care and have fun.